Weird. I've seen that where you go inside and it's like half one and half the other.
Because they're owned by the same company.
Yeah.
Dude, Jesus fucking Christ.
Look at that.
They're still going straight. What is Carl doing?
Apartment B, Bravo. Difficulty breathing. Process Caleb Road, Lane, Dale Street. Outbreak.
Well, I heard a naughty word.
What? Why the hell are you stopping so far back?
They definitely could have.
Shawty, pull forward. You ain't going anywhere this far back.
Honk at this bitch, literally. Like, I'm so serious. Honk at this bitch.
Fucking dodge dart. It's dark. It looks like it's a...
Oh, it's because there's a crosswalk there.
They're still in the crosswalk. They're fully in it. They're blocking it more than if they just pulled up.
Why did you take
Oh! Well, literally,
And corner cut behind me. I got Civic passed in the parking lane and then drove over the curb.
no, look.
It's not even right though. You don't go past the stop sign.
Yeah, I was saying to go up there and then turn around, like turn at that
Get
triangle.
the fuck out of the road, you idiot.
I think ramp.
Stop sign. Bear left onto VT 100.
That car ran the light. fucking turn signal, dumbass. Has got it going on. Stacy's mom has got it going on. Asshole. Stacy, do you remember?
State Route 114A, Queen City Avenue, 2nd Street.
Oh, you guys are bitches. Fuck you.
What's happening? Oh.
They're passing the goddamn plow.
You can't pass the plow. That is illegal.
Oh, the car coming this way?
Oh my god. Phoenix!
Slay.
US 3.
Oh my god, the person that Mazda was on the wrong side of the road. Fucking Manchester. Swear to God.
Oh, now you know the lane.
No.
Casually turns it on.
No, I'm just clipping it. This will be on.
You could have just said, like, you can have it, but... Oh well. It is what
Why
it is.
would you back
What?
onto the highway?
What the fuck?
That's...
You literally have a driveway where you can turn around.
Not
got a
not
gas
everyone is
driveway.
blessed with common sense.
Yeah. It's illegal. That truck behind me couldn't maintain its lane.
Oh, I see it. That's good. Mine probably didn't settle because I've been drinking it.
Bad
Oh, yeah,
driver.
look. They're fully in the other
I'm
lane.
back. We just don't have enough service here. Yeah, this is gonna be fucking sketchy.
And Evan's not going. But Max knows how to drive this area, so...
I mean, I think Evan will be okay, but just like...
You are going ridiculously slow.
And they're in the better
I am
lane.
doing 65 and I'm passing them. And they have a bunch of snow on the roof.
Oh my god, that lady looked like 85 at least.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
Stop it, Andy.
Oh. On what?
Oh, they're getting pulled over. Oh, they're getting pulled over. Of course, the Massel didn't clean off their car. It's so snowy in this lane. Oh, you're a fucking moron.
What happened?
They turned right from the straight lane. Oh, they just fucking blew the red light. Wow. Okay.
Hey. Number one. Why not?
Over the line. We hit.
Walmart. I mean, now I love Walmart, but just never really went. My parents are like, oh, Walmart isn't a good place to go because they don't treat their employees fair. I'm like,
Nowhere else does either.
I was like, they're not any worse than anywhere else. Like,
Well, there's this village called Suncook, which is basically just like that downtown area of the two towns together, which is
so
like
weird.
its own census thing as well. No, you don't want to turn left there anymore? Vermonters.
no,